Hi everyone, my name is Yanelo David. I also unboxed my full gold basket head mannequin today. I just got it and I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I've been longing to have this and finally God did it. Hooray! Let's unbox it together. Alright? Okay, where do I start? From? Let me do like this. You can see I'm cutting from the down part, so we'll be opening it one after the other and see what is inside. Just wow, see this. Okay, that is the body. This one looks like one of the legs. This is one of the legs. Okay, and this is one of the arm, the hands. This is the second one, and this is the second leg as well. This is the hand, and this is my basket head gold mannequin. This is the basket head. I actually love this, and that's why I've been longing to have it. So this is the second hand, while this was going to use as a stand. Yeah, this is the base. This is the base. So let's get started. Which one should I first do out of? I'm coming. Okay, let's start with this one. This is the base. This is the base. Oh, I will need to remove this. This is the base, and I think this is the way it's going to look like. I want to unbolt this one. Okay. Yeah, this. I think this is it like this. I don't know. Oh, village man like me. Village man. Let me put it back up. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. So, okay. I think. This is so serious now. It means that this cannot enter this. Because this is meant to enter this place now, but it cannot. It means that I have to. Wow. I have to expand this. So I have to expand it. So it cannot enter. I have to expand it. Oh, I will have to expand this one now. But let's continue. Let's drop this one first. We'll come back to it later. But I have to expand this. That's serious. Okay. This is the body. Let's remove. This is the body. This is the body. This is the body, but it's kinda, I don't know. So I have to expand that mouth for me to start the whole thing. So I have to be careful the way I'm doing it. Oh my. Oh my man. Oh my man. This is the body. Oh yes. Now let's do it one after the other. Okay. This, let me remove. Let's put the head to it and let's see how it's going to look like. Wow. Wow. This is so amazing. So amazing, like Amazing Grace. Wow. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I actually want this. I want this. Okay. Haven't done that one. Let's use the hand. But before then, let's try out. Let's see how it's going to look on the stand. On the stand. You can see the way I'm sweating. This is a big win actually. For years now, I've been longing to have this. Oh, all right. Yes, this is one of the legs, and let me carry this. But before we don't fall down. Okay. Okay. This is all right. It's having form little by little. Let's remove the second leg as well. This is the second. This is the second leg. I think I'm the one getting something wrong. We have to go back to the first one we did. I'm the one getting something wrong. Okay. I think I have an idea now of how it should be. I have an idea now. Don't mind me, I'm a village man. Okay. Please can you help me with the screw there? Okay, I'm doing the screen now. I'm trying to bolt this. Okay, but let's continue. So now we have done this. I'll be putting this on the floor. And try to see okay. Wow. So let's put the body on the waist. Okay. That's the body. And now the arm. So this is the right hand. This is the right hand. That's the right hand. Let me check, do the second hand. This is second hand. This is the second, and he's given us a form already. This is so beautiful and amazing. This is the left hand. Whoa. Whoa. All right, so we'll fix this as well. We fix this. It's full gold. I wanted it full gold from head to toe, and that's why I heard that for it. Okay, while we do the second one, so I have to screw this one as well. This is it. Film the head, film the chest, film the two hands, film the hips, film the leg. This is amazing. So this is how I coupled my basket head gold male mannequin that I got recently. It's an addition to my company, Day World Clothing. It's an addition. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you for joining. God bless you real good. You are great.